हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। राइट, इस क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है, एक बिल्डिंग है जिसके टॉप से, सो लेट अस टेक दिस बिल्डिंग हियर। राइट, यहां से दो बॉल है हमारे पास, ए है बी है और दोनों का मास सेम है। ए को अपवर्ड थ्रो किया गया, सो लेट अस टेक दिस बॉल इज ए, इसको अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में थ्रो किया गया विद स्पीड v। एक दूसरा बॉल है बी, उसको थ्रो किया गया डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में, सो लेट अस टेक दिस बॉल इज बी और ये v से थ्रो किया गया। अब आपको बताना है, ये सारे ऑप्शन दिया गया है। ए में देखिए वेलोसिटी ऑफ ए इज मोर देन बी, यानी कि ओवरऑल जब दोनों बॉल एक ग्राउंड पे आएगा तो उसके बाद आपको बताना है कि किसकी वेलोसिटी ज्यादा या कम होगी। तो यहां पे आप एनर्जी कंजर्वेशन लगा सकते हैं, सिंस यू नो राइट इन दिस केस द एनर्जी विल रिमेन कंजर्व्ड। सो इफ आई टॉक अबाउट फॉर बॉल ए, okay, so initial kinetic energy I can say k initial plus right u initial is equal to k final plus u final. I can take this ground as a reference, so here the u I can take 0 because at the reference the potential energy will be 0. So k final, so I will write here 1 by 2 m v final square. Right, sorry, this is k initial, my mistake. Right, k initial is 1 by 2 mv square plus u initial is mgh, or you can say let us assume the height of the building is h, so this will become mgh is equal to k final. Finally the ball will hit the ground, so here the speed I need to find, so 1 by 2 m v final square, and finally the ball will come to the ground or at the at the reference, so here the potential energy will become 0, so this is coming 0 here. So from here I can say this m by I can multiply here 2 and 2. Okay, so m by 2 will get cancel out from all the sides, and from here v final v square plus gh upon 2, gh upon 2, and root of this you will get the v final for the case of ball A. Similarly, if I talk about ball B, and once again if I apply the energy conservation, k initial plus u initial is equal to k final plus u final. Now see what is the initial kinetic energy of ball B. Once again 1 by 2 mv square. Initial potential energy of ball is right, this ball is at a height of h from the ground, so potential energy will be mgh is equal to final I need to find out, so 1 by 2 m v final square, and finally once again the ball will hit the ground, so the reference, it will come at the reference, so this will become 0. Once again I can multiply 2 and 2 here, m by 2 will get cancelled out from both the sides, and from here I can say this will become, from here I can say this will become v square plus gh upon 2 and root of this v final. So from here you can say for both the balls final the final speed is coming same, v square plus gh upon an overall root. So we can see from here option C will be there, both A and B strike the ground with the same velocity. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.